A is for A&T and so small, marching in a line, no rest at all. B is for BAL, a ball so round, bounce it once, it leaves the ground. C is for CAT, cat with grace, soft little paws and a furry face. D is for DOG, dog that runs, wags its tail and loves the fun. E is for EGG, egg so white, sleeping in straw, a cozy sight. F is for FAN, fan so cool, spinning fast in every school. G is for GIFT, gift so bright, wrapped in colors, what a delight. H is for HAT, hat on my head, red and round just like I said. I is for ICE, ice so cold, melts so quick, can't even hold. J is for JUG, jug for tea, pour it slowly just for me. K is for KITE, kite in the sky, flying high, oh my, oh my. L is for LION, lion so loud, roar so strong, bold and proud. M is for MUG, mug I sip, warm hot milk touches my lip. N is for NEST, nest in tree, home for birds happy and free. O is for OWL, owl so wise, big round eyes and silent flies. P is for pen, pen I grip, write and draw with every tip. Q is for QUILT, quilt on bed, soft and warm in colors red. R is for RING, ring so small, shiny and bright, I show it all. SUN, sun so hot, shines on me like it or not. T is for TRAIN, train goes fast, choo-choo sound as it rolls past. U is for UMBRELLA, umbrella wide, keeps me dry when clouds collide. V is for VAN, van on the way, takes us out for trips all day. W is for WEB, web so neat, spiders spin with silent feet. X is for XRAY, X-ray view shows my bones all clear and true. Y is for YAK, yak with hair, fuzzy and slow but strong and fair. Z is for ZOO, zoo so fun, where I see animals one by one.
Don't forget to subscribe to Kids Teacher Pack. We really appreciate your support.